Drinking problem.
And not being responsible.
A bad one, very bad.
And a violent temper.
She's a very big drama queen.
He just had a violent temper. When he got mad, he made the damages in the apartment and he tried to pin it on me.
Watch out for crazy women.
I'm just glad that I picked up and moved on, and I'm a much better person now.
There was a lot of talk and discussion about who could have possibly done this and why.
People were very, very scared. We had a killer out on the loose.
Evidence of Evil, tonight on CBS Reality. Two exes fight over a firearm.
Why did you need a gun?
I like to go hunting.
Hunting. You hunt with a Glock?
Then she took matters into her own hands.
He said, no, it's mine. And I said, technically, it's not yours because you never paid for it. We're arguing and the gun is still in my hand. So he goes to reach for it. It accidentally went off.
A gun doesn't accidentally go off unless you pull the trigger.
Judge Judy.